Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn about the prefix re. This prefix appears in words like rewrite, return, and rebuild. It changes the meaning of base words in a special way. The prefix re means again or back. It is added to the beginning of words. When you see re at the start of a word, it usually means the action happens again or goes back. Re works by attaching to the front of a base word. You take re plus a base word to create a new word. The new word means doing the base word action again or going back. First example is rewrite. The base word is write. Write means to put words on paper. Rewrite means to write again, usually to make it better. You rewrite when you fix your first try. Second example is return. The base word is turn. Turn means to change direction. Return means to turn back or go back to where you started. You return home after work. Third example is rebuild. The base word is build. Build means to make or construct something. Rebuild means to build again, usually after it was broken or destroyed. Here are more common re words. Redo means do again. Refresh means make fresh again. Restart means start again. Each one shows the re prefix meaning again or back. Important note for learners: not every word starting with re uses the prefix. Rewrite has the re prefix from write, but real and read do not have re prefix. They are complete words by themselves.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.